Good day to everyone. I'm Mom Jovi. In this video, you'll learn how to download and install some server on your computer, which will allow you to run a local web server and develop a dynamic web application. You'll also learn how to use PHP a popular web-based database management tool used to create new database and set up tables to store your data. The video will start with a brief overview of XAMPP and its features, followed by step-by-step instruction on how to download and install it on your Windows or Mac computer. You'll then learn how to start and stop the Apache web server and the MySQL database server, both of which are included in XAMPP. The video will walk you through the process of creating new database in PHP, MyAdmin, and setting up tables to store your data. So what is XAMPP? XAMPP is a free and open source cross-platform software package that provides web server, database server, and other tools for building and testing web applications. The name XAMPP stands for cross-platform, A for Apache, M for MariaDB/MySQL, P for PHP, and Perl. XAMPP is designed to be easy to install and use, making it popular among developers who want to set up local web development environment quickly. With XAMPP, developers can create and test out web applications without the need for a remote web server for hosting provider. Some includes Apache, which is a web server software used to serve web pages over the internet. It also includes MySQL or MariaDB, which are open source relational database management system used for storing and retrieving data. Similarly, XAMPP can be installed in Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating system, and is used by many developers for both beginners and advanced to build and test their web application in a local development before deploying them to production server. How to download XAMPP server. Okay, to download XAMPP server, encode natin dito. Let's search XAMPP download. After which, ito ang ating pipilian. We'll be selecting download XAMPP. We click this one. And then you can see here we have different XAMPP server to download. This will depend on what is your operating system. If your operating system is Windows, use this one. Yan. However, kung ikaw ay Linux and if you are using Mac, ito naman ang i-download mo. So, the latest version ang i-download natin this month. On my part, since na-download ko na kasi, I will not download anymore. So, when you download, i-click nyo to. Download 64-bit. Okay. Usually naman, puro 64-bit na. Bibihira na yung 32-bit. So, ito siya, gagana lang siya sa 64-bit. So, you click download. Tapos, after nyo ma-download, install nyo siya. How to display the XAMPP control panel. Okay, so how are we going to display the XAMPP control panel? Unahin muna natin yung ito. Let's say kung if you don't, dito lang, the easiest way is ito. Type mo siya dito, XAMPP control panel. Dito, ayan na siya. Okay, so if we are going to type here, localhost, yan, localhost PHP MyAdmin, of course, it does not display yet. Bakit? Kasi, let's take a look on our control panel. It's not yet started. We need to start our Apache and MySQL. So to start, just simply click the start button, the Apache, click start. And then we are going as well to check the MySQL start. There you go. So let's try to reload this one if the PHP MyAdmin will display. F5, refresh natin, reload the page. There you go. Yan. Okay? Okay, so where can we find the XAMPP control panel other than The one that I demonstrated a while ago, dito siya. Yan, dito. So, puntahan natin yung ating drive C. Okay? Yan, dito. Dito natin. Okay. Local disk. Yan siya. And then SAMP. There you go. We're going to scroll it down until we see the SAMP control panel. Siyempre, you just double click this one. Yan yung si SAMP control panel. How to create database. To create a new database in PHP My Admin, I'm going to click this one. Ito. Dito tayo sa create database. So maraming mga tabs yan. Dito tayo sa databases tab. To create database, nakita nyo sa database name. O, ito na lang gagamitin ko. And then, yan, JDBC. Ay, JDBC gusto ko. JDBC underscore DB. Anyway, this one is preference mo yan. Kung ikaw gagawa, anong gusto mo ipangalan sa database mo, and then create. Yan. Yan siya. So, meron ka na dito JDBC underscore DB. Pwede rin tayong gumawa using this one sa SQL. So, gagawa tayo ng isang database. So, create. Tingnan nyo, there is an IntelliSense. Just tab lang. Period space. And then, database. So, database. Yan yung piliin natin. Tab lang. And then, the database name. Javazoo database. So, Javazoo underscore TV. So, and then, para mag-take effect yan, we scroll this down and we click go. Ito. Yan, go. Yan. Okay, so dalawa na yung ating database. Pagpunta nyo dito, kung hindi nyo gusto, if you want to delete, so dideletein ko yung isa. Okay, pwede tayong mag-delete dito sa baba. Ida-drop lang natin or dito. Sige, i-drop natin dito. Drop. Then, drop database name. Yung counterpart nito, i-click lang natin yung dyan, wait lang ha, drop, space, database, and then the database name, Javazoo underscore DB. Once underscore DB. Okay. So, sabi dito, press Control Enter to execute query. So, drop database to delete a table, tapos Control Enter. So, pipindutin ko na, Control Enter. Okay. So, na-delete na siya. Okay? So, puntahan natin. Ito yung talagang database natin. Diba? So, pag nandito, hindi ko na siya i-delete. Pakita ko lang. O, hindi ko na siya i-delete. Ha? So, the counterpart of what I demonstrated is this. Ito. I-select lang to. I-click ito. Yan, i-click. And then, you click drop. Since gagamitin natin, hindi ko na siya i-drop. The purpose is only to show you na pwede kang mag-delete ng database dito. So, dito na tayo sa mas madali. Or, pag marunong ka ng mga yung mga source code, SQL code dito, i-delete mo siya manually, i-code mo siya, or eto gagamitin. Yan. How to create table in PHP My Admin. Okay, to create table, balikan natin to. So, click natin, let's click the database. And then here you can see create new table. What you're going to do is to type the table. So, gagawa tayo ng students table. This is the table name. So, for the meantime, the number of columns, form muna, and then create. There you go. Okay, so lagay natin yung una, the ID, path, and then I have the first name, last name, and email. So, first name, first underscore name, last underscore name, and then email. Okay. And then dito, the data type, ito naman, it's bar chart. Kasi pag string siya, bar chart, piliin natin variable characters, so bar chart. And then, so yung length niya, yung length nito is 2. Ano naman ang length nito? So, wala namang sobrang habang pangalan. Let's supply 30, 30, and then 30 din dito. Yan. And then, huwag natin kalilimutan. So, set natin to. Let's scroll. Nandito. This one is the scroll bar. Itong una, the ID, since mag-auto-increment yun, we're going to check this one. So, checkbox for auto-increment. AI stands for auto-increment. And then, okay na siya. Yun lang naman set up natin for the meantime. So, to create a table, we have the ID, the first name, the last name, and the email. And then what we're going to do is to save this. Just scroll it down. Makikita nyo dito, we have the save button. Oy, ang gulo ng mouse ko. Save. You just click the save button. That's what. There you go. We are going to wait and check what will happen. Ayan. So, eto na siya. Ito yung create natin. So, the ID, the data type, and then, na-save natin. Eto na siya. So, naka-auto-increment ito. Okay? Okay, to continue, for the meantime, lalagyan muna natin na siguro kahit dalawa lang, dalawang names. So, punta tayo dito sa insert. There you go. Since naka-auto-increment yan, wala natin ilalagay. Ito yung data type niya. Loser type natin, Angelica Inara. So, this is the name of my daughter, Angelica Inara. So, ang surname, Devel. Okay? And then, email, para at gmail.com. So, gmail.com. Click nyo lang natin to. No, ito lang. Go. Yan. Yan. Okay? So, meron na siya. So, pag titignan nyo, ayun, let's look at that. Ayun, ayun siya. Rivera Angelica Inara. Ulitin natin yung process. So, click natin yung insert. And then, auto-increment ang ating ID. So, do not put anything. The name of my son. Yes, Ichiro Inaro. Ichiro Inaro, and then Rivera. Okay. So, email, arrow123@gmail.com. Yan. Okay, go lang. Yan. So, if you are going to click this, tingnan natin to. Yan. There you go. So, ayan na siya. Ito na yung data na ginawa natin. Yan. Okay?